In this video, I'll show you how to find the hex color in Squarespace. There are two ways for you to find the hex color. The first way is through Squarespace. Now, in order for you to find the hex color, the first step is to head over to the top bar, and on the left hand side, simply click on Edit so we can start customizing our website. Now, once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the section where you want to get the hex color. Let's say I want to get the hex color of this section. So what I wanted to do is simply click on the section, and on the right hand side, you will see the option to edit the section. Now click on edit section. Once you do that, you want to head over to the third tab, which is colors. And under colors, it will show you the exact theme of this section. Now, when it comes to themes and palettes, it will automatically have the same theme for a specific page. So on this theme, we have bright number two, and you can automatically identify the exact theme since it has a pencil on the right hand side. Now, in order for you to see the exact color of this theme, you want to head over to the right hand side of the theme and click on the pencil to edit. Now that will open site styles. And as you can see in here on the theme, if you head over to the site wide section, on the section background, if you click on the palette on the right hand side, you will automatically see that on our site wide palette, it will take up the orange color. Now, in order for you to get the hex code of this orange color, you want to make sure that it is selected within your palette. And once you have made sure that it is selected, you want to head over to the second tab at the top and click on custom. And once you do that, you want to head over to the bottom where it says RGB and click on the drop down. And from here, you want to choose hex. Once you do that, it will automatically show you the exact hex code of this color. Now, let's say you want to get the color of a text block. So what I want you to do is simply double click on a text block that will automatically highlight the text. You can also do Control A to select the whole text. And at the top, you want to click on the palette for text color. Now from here, what I want you to do is simply select the palette, which is the yellow originally. And once you select the palette, if you head over to custom again, on the drop down, you will automatically see the hex code. Now let's say you want to get the hex color of the magenta. So if you head over and make sure that this is selected and head over back to custom, you will automatically identify the hex color. Now, the second way for you to get the hex color is by using the screenshot. Now, on Squarespace, we can only get the hex code of specific sections, which are part of the site-wide palette. So let's say if we scroll down, you have an element that is an image. We can't get the hex code from that exact image. Now, what I want you to do is head over to the image, and from here, you want to take a screenshot. Now, this could be on Windows. You can just simply press on print screen. On Mac, you will also have a shortcut for print screen. And if you are using Windows, you can also type snipping tool or search it within the Windows search button. But just simply click on the print screen or the screenshot, and that will open this tab on Windows. Now, from here, you want to hold and drag the exact section where you want to get the hex color. Now you want to head over to imagecolorpicker.com. You can use any types of websites that has a color picker. They can get the hex code, the RGB, and the HSL. However, on imagecolorpicker.com, if you scroll down and choose pick color from image, in here, once you take your screenshot, you can just simply press Control V and it will automatically paste it. You can also head over to the bottom and click on use your image. And at the bottom, you can also pick from the screen. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.